Hello everyone. So today I'm going to share with you the Golden Tulip Resort, Candolim Goa. I'm covering every single thing in this video. Don't skip this. If you're planning a trip to Goa, you should watch this video. I have shared every single thing. This is the room which you can see. This is a huge mirror where you can see yourself. Then there is a huge bed, TV, and sofa cum bed as well. The vibe of the place, the vibe of the room is very amazing. It was wonderful. And this is a sofa cum bed and a chair table you can see, and a mirror again where you can dress up or you can like sit and just relax. Then behind the curtains was the balcony which was huge, and this is the closet where you can keep your clothes, and a safe inside where you can keep your precious things if you wish to. So this was huge again, very spacious and very nice for the stay. Now there is the coffee counter, like where you can make your coffee if you wish, hot water, then a mini bar which is always there in almost good hotels. And let's see some inside also. This is the mini bar as I told you, and you get some refreshing drinks if you wish to enjoy them, but these are chargeable, and which is very nominally priced as per the rating of the hotel. This is the bathroom area which I don't like to cover, so bathroom was super again, nice again. Okay, and now let's see the reception area. The view was super beautiful. This is 7 a.m. in the morning. We reached the hotel in the morning only, although we got the room around 11 a.m. because we had to wait. And this is the view outside the reception area, which is again very beautiful, and a huge gallery area as you can see, where you can click so many pictures you get to. And this is the gym also, and above are the hotel rooms. Now let's see the pool area also. Again, the pool is divided in the kids section as well as adults, so the small kids can also swim. With the tubes are also provided, which is a very wonderful thing I feel. And this is the outside area of the dining, which is where you have your buffet there daily, right? Now let's see what you get in the food. This is how they have maintained it. It again is very beautiful. This is how it looks, just a picture. And now I'll be showing you the presentation of the food and also some pictures of the food. These are the fresh fruits, as you can see, yogurt and everything. Then there are some bakery items. These were the things that were daily there. Right now we will see food items which were daily served in different variety. Okay, we stayed for 7 nights, so every day was a different meal, which is good. I am a vegetarian, so I have clicked pictures of vegetarian. You get some options in non-veg as well. And my breakfast plate looked like this, and really enjoyed the food. The taste was 8 on 10. Experience was amazing. This is the sitting area of the breakfast area. Again, very nice. I would highly recommend this place.